Start.
Hey friends, I am Sujith Malena. Today I am going to telling about my project name is Rise from Field to Food. Let's start it. My project on rice. This project explains how rice grows and reaches our home. What is rice? Rice is a food. This is rice. Rice is a food we eat every day. It is grown in field called paddy field. Rice gives us energy and keeps us healthy. Rice grass. When rice starts growing, it looks